Okay, so here we have a running installed demo, currently on the clock. So if I turn the headlights on, we drop the backlight and change the clock face or change the theme. So if we go over, we get our oil temp, water temp, oil pressure. So as we can see, we get that gauge. Sorry, just negotiating some traffic. And then we have our temperature screen. Again, we can go into a dark theme or light theme. And then our accelerometer as well, if we fancy that. So we go, excuse me, round the corner, and we've got a corner just up here. And that shows up to about 1G, so there we have